Video script, parallel solar power, the right connection. Have you ever wondered how solar panels are connected to get the most power? It all comes down to two main methods. Today, we're talking about one of the most popular, the parallel connection. A parallel solar connection is like building a team. You're putting your panels side by side, connecting all the positive wires together and all the negative wires together. This setup has one main goal: to increase your total current, or amperage. If you have a few panels, each producing, say, 10 amps, your total system output becomes the sum of all of them, 30 amps. But here's the key: the voltage stays the same. So if each panel is 12 volts, your entire system remains 12 volts. But the biggest reason people choose a parallel connection is what we call shade tolerance. Imagine a tree limb or a cloud shades just one of your panels. In the parallel connection, the other panels don't care. They keep working at full power, producing electricity independently. You only lose the power from that one shaded panel, not the entire system. Now, a little heads up for the DIYers. More current means you need thicker wires to handle the load safely. You might also use special connectors or a combiner box to keep everything neat and secure. Because of these benefits, parallel connections are super common in places where power is needed on the go, like in RVs, on boats, or for small off-grid cabins. They're perfect for charging low-voltage battery banks, providing a reliable and flexible power solution. So if you're looking for a system that's resilient and built for efficiency, the parallel connection might be the perfect fit for you.